Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and turn on dark mode on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you have to do is simply first of all tap on the Snapchat app of yours, and now simply go ahead, tap on this Bitmoji icon on the top left corner of the screen. You can see we do not have our dark mode on, it's in the light mode only. So if you would like to change it, simply tap on this gear icon on top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down, and here in this section you will be able to find this option of app appearance below partner connections. Go ahead, tap on it. Here in this section you can see we have match system, always light and always dark. Simply go ahead, tap on this. Here now you can see it has turned to the dark. You can go back and see now our Snapchat is on the dark mode. You can check out the settings chat as well, and it's in the dark mode. That is how you can change it to the dark. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.